We'll guide you through how to change your domain on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Site Actions button, which is usually on the top right corner of your site thumbnail. Click on it and select Manage Domain from the drop-down menu. Now you're in the Domain Management area. Here, you need to find the Connect a Domain You Already Own section if you're using a third-party domain. If you're transferring from another provider, you'll select Transfer a Domain You Already Own instead. For those getting a new domain directly through Wix, you'll want to click on Buy a New Domain. Follow the prompts to either connect, transfer, or purchase. Make sure you have your domain details handy if you're connecting or transferring. Once you have your domain set up, you need to configure your DNS settings, which is crucial for your domain to point correctly to your Wix site. If you are connecting a domain, make sure to update the name servers on your domain registrar's website to Wix's name servers. Wix provides these details in the domain setup instructions. If you're transferring, follow the steps to authorize the transfer, which might take a few days. Remember to check your email for any verification or instructions from your current domain provider. It's important to ensure all settings are correct to avoid downtime on your site. Once everything is configured, it might take some time for the changes to propagate. A good tip is to check your site after a few hours to see if everything is working smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.